once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I have some ginger, and this is real natural focus tea tree oil essential. And you know me have my original natural coconut oil from Jamaica. And guys, now I'm gonna make some ginger essential oils with tea tree and coconut oil. You don't have to strip your ginger. Look how fresh and juicy they are. I wash them and I cut them, and the next step I'm gonna add them to my blender. Oh, let me do this way, guys. That's better. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just enough to blend it. And there it is. Now it's all blend. Now it's like a pulp, and we're gonna move on to the next step. I have my pot on the fire, and I'm gonna take my pulp and I'm gonna pour it in. And this is it, guys. Now I'm gonna let this cook and let it come to a boil, and then I'll show you up. And I'm gonna add half cup of coconut oil. I'm gonna make enough because I want it to last for a long time. And my ginger is boiling, and I'm gonna add my coconut oil. Look at that, guys. Look at it. Can you see it? Wow. It's smelling so good. I would eat some now. Turn your stove down and continue to stir. And I'm gonna pour it in. You can do like this, continue until when it's all done. Alright guys, this is where I'm at. I squeeze every last drop out of it, and this is how it's looking. It still have a little bit of water in it from the ginger. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on back. Turn the stove down, and then I'm gonna let all the water dry out, and then I'm gonna show you. It's boiling, guys, almost there. I'm gonna boil it until I see no form of water or the ginger juice. I turned the stove off, guys, and it's all boiled. So this is it. You want a clear piece of cloth or mesh like, and when it's cool, I'm gonna strain this. All right. Let's take a look at the real oil together. All right, no fake, this is real. There it is, guys. Look how clean and natural. And it's still dripping, so I'm gonna leave it to drip a little bit more. I have my tea tree oil, and I'm gonna pour some in. That will do. I'm gonna add a little bit of kick to it because I want it to have a different scent. And this one is my Albus oil. It's an inhalant. It clear up all nostrils, good for your skin. It's like a Vicks, but this is a better one, and it has like that minty smell to it. And I'm gonna put a little bit of like a 1 or 2 drops in it. Very strong, okay guys? 1, 2, nothing more than that. Now, ooh, it smells so good. You want to give this a little bit of mix. This is my ginger essential oil with a little bit of coconut oil, some tea tree oil, and at the end I add 2 drops of albus oil to give me that minty flavor. And guys, it's good for you, it's good for your skin, and it's good for your hair. Why it's good for your skin? The coconut oil and the tea tree oil, it's all good for your skin, help with hair growth or hair loss. Wherever you lose hair, it's good to add and continue to massage it into your skin. And you know, the coconut oil, it can drink, it's good to cook with, clean your skin, cleanse your body. Oh, it's good for a hot oil body treatment, a hot oil massage. Guys, this is good all round. And guys, you know, the good old ginger fight away all infection and bacteria, good for your immune system, good for gas. When you feel weak or you feel faintish, you just drink a little bit of ginger tea or chew a piece of ginger in your mouth. Ginger is good overall. It's a good antioxidant, good for your body. Alright, so therefore this is good for your skin and it's good for your hair. Alright guys, I hope you like it. Part 2 of this video, I will show you. I'm going to pour it in a smaller jar and then I will show you how to use it in your hair and on your skin. Alright guys, this is the final result. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and